Welcome to the best picks. The best knot tying kit is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for anyone who enjoys outdoor activities, crafting, or simply wants to learn a practical skill. Whether you're a seasoned sailor, a passionate angler, a keen climber, or a creative crafter, having the right knot tying kit can significantly enhance your experience and efficiency, ensuring you're always prepared for any situation that requires secure and reliable knots. Number 5. Pro Knot Tying Kit. Learn to tie essential knots with ease. This kit has everything you need to become a knot tying pro. It includes our best-selling rope knot cards. They're easy to follow, and perfect for beginners and experts alike. Practice makes perfect. The kit comes with 2 durable practice cords, so you can practice until you master each knot. Secure your gear with the included carabiner. It's strong and reliable, perfect for attaching to your backpack or belt. With clear instructions and plenty of practice, you'll be tying knots like a pro in no time. Get yours today. It's ideal for camping, hiking, climbing, and more. Take it with you on your next adventure. What we like. If you are a beginner and want to learn the basics of knot tying, this is a great option. It's compact and easy to carry around, perfect for practicing anytime, anywhere. The included practice cords make learning even easier and more effective. What people say. The cards are fully attached, so you twist them on the axis of the hole to read them. Smart in that it keeps them together. The diagrams are perfectly clear. The ropes are perfect to learn on. They're thin, which makes them easy to carry around for practice. They're short enough to be convenient, maybe 3 to 4 foot, but long enough to work with. Number 4. SAMSFX Fishing Tool Combo. Introducing the ultimate 4-in-1 fishing tool combo. It has everything you need for a successful fishing trip. This tool makes tying knots quick and easy. Never worry about your knots coming undone again. Securely tie your lines in seconds with this efficient hook tier. It's perfect for various nail knots. This 2-in-1 tool quickly ties loop knots and removes hooks from fish. It's a must-have for any angler. Made of durable stainless steel, this tool helps you tie knots and clean your fishing hooks. It's built to last. The included retractor keeps your tools handy and prevents loss. Attach it to your vest for easy access. What we like. If you're a serious angler needing efficiency on the water, this multi-tool is your best bet. It helps you tie knots quickly and securely, saving you valuable time while fishing. The stainless steel construction ensures it'll last through countless fishing trips. What people say. Everything does what it says. Excellent gadgets to use. Just what I need for tiny hooks instead of my large hands. Nice product. Well manufactured. It has a nice lanyard, and it's free. This is simple and really helps avoid having to toss on the old reading glasses to tie a darned water knot. Number 3. ReferenceReady Knot Tying Kit. This kit has everything you need to master 20 essential boating and sailing knots. It's perfect for beginners and experienced sailors alike. It's small enough to fit in your boat bag or galley drawer, making it perfect for on-the-go practice. Take it with you wherever you go. It's made with 100% nylon cordage and durable, waterproof knot cards. You'll be able to use it for years to come. The color-coded diagrams on the cards make learning each knot simple and straightforward. Even complex knots become easy to master. This kit includes 2 3-foot lengths of cord, a horn cleat, and a set of detailed knot cards. Everything you need is right here in one convenient package. It comes in attractive packaging, making it a great gift for any boater or sailor. Give the gift of nautical know-how. What we like. If you're a boater or sailor needing to master nautical knots, this kit provides comprehensive instruction. The waterproof cards are perfect for use in any weather condition, and the high-quality materials ensure long-lasting use. It's a must-have for any serious sailor. What people say. The cleat seems pretty heavy-duty and the information cards give good instructions. Love the knot tying instructions. Plus the included cleat is the perfect size to utilize for boat projects. The product was well thought out between the cards and the instructions. Number 2. Outdoor Knots Tying Kit. Learn to tie 22 essential knots for camping, backpacking, and more. This kit has everything you need to practice and perfect your knot tying skills. It includes paracord, nylon webbing, and a set of waterproof knot cards. Everything is ready to go, so you can start practicing right away. The knot cards provide clear, step-by-step diagrams and descriptions. Even beginners will find it easy to learn. The compact, waterproof cards are perfect for taking anywhere. They're durable enough to withstand the elements. It's made with high-quality paracord and webbing, ensuring long-lasting use. It makes a great gift for outdoor enthusiasts. With this kit, you'll be able to confidently tie essential knots in any outdoor situation. Start practicing today. What we like. If you love outdoor adventures and want to learn essential knots for camping and backpacking, this is the kit for you. It includes both paracord and webbing for varied practice, and the durable cards will withstand any weather. It's the perfect companion for any outdoor enthusiast. What people say. The knot guide is printed on durable plastic cards, feels similar to a gift card or credit card, and that they're double-sided, saves space weight, and has the metal grommet to clip onto a backpack with a carabiner. Directions are clear, and using different types of rope, nylon, twine, etc. helps learn where best to use what type of knot. It's useful that different types of material are covered, e.g. rope and webbing. Number 1. UST Learn and Live Outdoor Kit. This kit is your ultimate companion for any outdoor adventure. It's small, durable, and packed with essential tools and knowledge. It features waterproof educational cards in a shatterproof, water-resistant case. You can trust it to withstand the elements. Learn to tie 10 essential knots with the included illustrated cards. These skills are invaluable in emergency situations. Its compact size and attached carabiner make it easy to carry anywhere. Attach it to your backpack or keep it in your pocket. The kit includes waterproof knot tying cards, utility cord, and a practice carabiner. Everything you need to learn and practice essential outdoor skills. Simply hand wash it to keep it clean and ready for your next adventure. What we like. If you prioritize durability and portability in an emergency kit, this is your ideal choice. The watertight case keeps everything safe and dry, and the carabiner makes it easy to attach to your gear. It's perfect for hikers, campers, and anyone who needs reliable knots in any situation. What people say. These little waterproof containers are lightweight and don't take up a bunch of space, so they are great to throw into the car, day hiking packs, or just around the house. Fishing kit, hard laminated cards very handy that come with it. Hook, line, zinc weights, ziplock to hold it all inside a hard plastic carry case that is big pocket sized. The hand reel and leads nearly are worth it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.